So today we're going to replace the front rotor here on my mountain bike. Has a minimum thickness here of 1.8 millimeters. Now this probably isn't the right tool for the job, but it'll work. Let's see what we got in here. I want to make sure we get it in the right spot. We're down at 151. So we're well below the minimum. I picked up a genuine Shimano. Now this one here is a they're usually marked on here. This is a 203 millimeter front rotor. So I picked up a 203 rotor. Let's go ahead and swap this out. So mine are held on with torque, so it's a T25 bit. I already loosened these up. They weren't terribly tight, but what you don't want to do is you don't want to strip them out. So we'll take and back these off here, take them all the way out, and then put the new rotor on. Okay, we got these on here. They come with these little retaining clips. This says top on them. The backs of the screws have got a knurl on them, so they're essentially lawyer clips. It keeps them from backing out, even though they have Loctite on them. Okay, so I got all these in here. Put these retainers on to help lock the screws down. And these are supposed to be recommended torque to essentially 3 to 4 Newton meters, which is about 2.5 to 3 foot-pounds. All I have is a foot-pound wrench, so I'll use this instead. It's probably overkill for this, but I'm pretty good at feeling how much torque there is when tightening a screw down. So okay, so what we'll do is we want to spread the we'll take the pad. I already took the pads out with this bolt here, and spread the pistons apart just to give it a bit more room, and then put the wheel back on, put the pads back in, put the bolt in. This particular Shimano's got a little retaining clip here on the back side. Make sure you put that in. You don't want the pads coming out accidentally. And then one final thing you want to do is just take and pump up your brakes here. Make sure they're working good. There, okay, there it starts to go. Yep. Probably what I'll do then is I'll take and bleed these, just get any air out that might be in there, just so they're working perfectly. And there's plenty of videos on the internet on how to bleed Shimano brakes. So, okay, it's that easy.